SPEE3D's metal 3D printers are already the world's fastest, most robust, deployable additive manufacturing solution. This technology allows you to manufacture full-density solid metal parts in just minutes or hours. SPEE3D's cold spray process is high-speed, consistent, and able to produce high-quality applications every time. The technology is used worldwide and proven reliable by our customers, such as the Australian Army, EWI Engineering Consultancy, Penn State Applied Research Laboratory, and many more global organizations to fabricate parts not only in normal manufacturing facilities, but also in harsh expeditionary field environments. Today, we reveal the next generation of SPEE3D technology, the Phaser Nozzle. The SPEE3D Phaser Nozzle is a new ultra-high energy nozzle that has been designed to work with a wider range of hard phase materials with a significant increase in deposition velocity. The high particle velocity achieved with the Phaser Nozzle means more deformation of the particles during the deposition process, which allows harder, tougher materials to be made. This means with Phaser, you can now 3D print in a vast range of new materials, including 17-4 stainless steel, 410 stainless steel, 430 stainless steel, duplex stainless steel, commercially pure titanium, aluminium 5056, aluminium 7075, chromium carbide nickel, tungsten carbide nickel chrome, and many more. As with previous SPEE3D nozzles, you don't need to rely on nitrogen and helium to cold spray these materials. Using compressed air, the Phaser nozzle can effectively deposit material 4 times faster than the speed of sound, at much hotter temperatures, up to 800 degrees Celsius. This allows you to print a range of hardier materials and enables the rapid creation of more parts for industries characterized by severe service conditions and high stress, shock loads, and abrasive environments. Industries such as space, defense, auto racing, mining, and maritime can all benefit from this robust and reliable additive manufacturing process. Our Phaser nozzle is available in all SPEE3D printer models now. Contact us for more information.